Welcome to day 1 of the 100 AI Fitness Challenge. Today is all about building a strong foundation with movement, nutrition, and consistency. Before beginning any fitness journey, understand where you are today. Assessing your movement creates a baseline for future progress.
Perform slow bodyweight squats to evaluate mobility, stability, and movement quality.
Check flexibility and joint mobility. Ready to begin? Ready to begin? Now it's time for a comfortable walk.
Walk at a pace that feels comfortable.
Walking supports cardiovascular health, endurance, and overall well-being, while helping you stay active.
After your walk, prepare a balanced breakfast using nutritious ingredients rich in protein, vegetables, and whole grains.
Simple meals made with wholesome ingredients.